Welcome to Vinex Studio. Let's start making games. Hi and welcome to another AR Foundation tutorial in Unity. Today we're going to see how to detect face and how to place a face mask using AR Foundation. Now we'll be using a basic ARC, so it has an AR session and an AR session origin. So if you're not seeing the AR Foundation setup video, please go and watch that because you need to make some basic configurations for the AR scene to work. So if you've already done that, then you will already have the AR session origin and AR session components in your hierarchy. Now, the plane manager in the AR session origin is not required because we'll not be detecting planes. We'll be detecting face. So we need to add AR face manager. So go to AR session origin and click on add component, search for AR face manager and add it. So the AR Face Manager takes a prefab. It works in a very similar manner to AR Plane Manager. So as Plane Manager takes a prefab and places it on the planes it detects, the Face Manager takes the face prefab and applies the face mask on your face or any other face that is detected. So you can set the maximum number of face that you want to detect. So we'll leave it to 1 as of now. Unity has a default face added to the XR object. So let's go to the hierarchy, click on plus sign, go to XR and AR default face. Now this is not a prefab, so let's just drag this and place it in our project window. So we have an AR default face. Now select the AR session origin and assign this AR default face to the face prefab. Now we can delete this from the hierarchy. Now the default prefab basically has a material called debug face, so it will be green in color. So it will basically map this material onto your face. So if you want to apply different colors or different textures to your face, then you can change the material in the mesh renderer. So now the next thing that you have to do is find AR camera and then go to facing direction. And if you set the facing direction to world, then it will use the back camera. So we need to do it in the selfie mode. So let's set it to user. And that's pretty much it. So now we are ready for face detection. So let's save the scene and let's build and run. So as you saw, it was able to detect my face and it applied that green color face mask onto my face. So try it out. If you have any other question, please leave them in the comment box below. And like I said before, if you don't want the green color to be applied, you can use any other material in the mesh renderer of the AR default face so that that texture will be applied onto your face. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.